Hi, it's Jeff Hamlin with Essity Professional Hygiene in Happy Valley, Oregon. I'm joined today in Tork Studio 1 by Erin Rose Hamlin, and she has a story on hand hygiene. Erin, take it away.
You should always wash your hands for 20 seconds, or do the ABCs, or sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star 2 times. I'm going to pretend to count to 20. Always use Tork soap. And always wash really good. Between your fingers and fingernails.
You're going to make sure to wash both thumbs too, right?
Yep.
That's a common thing that a lot of people miss. Ironically, they often only wash one thumb.
And let's say I'm done. I would get paper towels.
And what kind of paper towel are you using today, Erin?
Tork paper towels.
Thank you for joining us, and we hope you learned something in the process. Bye.
Bye.